So I didn't film dinner tonight, but tonight's a very quick dinner again with some prep for meals for the rest of the week. So we're just having some normal ground beef tacos. We've got a ham on the smoker and a pork butt in the pressure cooker. Just getting some of those meal items prepped for the rest of the week and taking it easy for tonight. So pork butt is still going, and this is real life house for us right now. We went to Crayola Experience today, so the cups are still there. Picked up some groceries and some books and stuff still on the table. And then ham from the smoker. Now, this next lunch that we're having isn't really a recipe, so to speak, but we like getting the rotisserie chickens from Sam's. This is 2 rotisserie chickens with a little taken out from what we ate out of it already. But we just grab up the rotisserie chickens, shred them up, and they make for really quick lunches. So some of our favorite lunches to have with it is also picking up these pre-made salad mixes. You could make this a lot cheaper if you do it yourself, and it's not all packaged. However, these are very convenient for us to use, and we eat a little bit healthier with using them, especially because we don't all want the same flavors. So this is Eleanor's personal favorite right now, the Southwest chopped salad. So I'm going to make this one up because she's the one wanting to eat salad with me today. And this one is Thatcher's, the maple Dijon. I really think it's because it has apple pieces in it, and he loves his apples. So we take this one and we toss it all together with everything in it and add chicken as an extra source of protein. My personal favorite is the kale salad that they have. I do prefer it when I make my homemade chicken salad though. So we're just taking the bag and pouring it down into our bowl, and then we open up all of the toss-ins. So we have the salad mix, the small packet of cheese. Now this packet of cheese does have some seasoning in it, and Eleanor usually likes to add in some extra cheese on hers. And then just the little Crispies and corn. I think they call those the little salsa sticks. And this is the Southwest Ranch. And then we're going to add about a cup of rotisserie chicken. And you just take a pair of tongs and toss it all up. And that is a quick and healthy lunch. The bag says this feeds 3.5 people. That's without us adding the chicken. However, we eat this as main dishes most of the time, so it only feeds 2 of us per bag. If you were serving it as a side salad, it probably would feed 3.5 people. But we find that if we're all eating it, we account each bag for a 2-person dealio. But we might also eat pretty large serving sizes, but that will feed myself and Eleanor, and Thatcher's decided he's having apples and blackberries for lunch, so it all works out.